What's good, YouTube, man? Today's a beautiful day outside. In today's video, we're gonna be testing out the new Tesla Cybertruck. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's hop into the video, man. So when you think of electric cars, the first company that comes to mind is Tesla. And when I first think of Tesla, I think of the Model S or the Model X, which has a very clean design. But the Cybertruck took a minimalistic approach, and I was honestly really surprised. This truck looks way better in person, and I think Tesla took inspiration from the Space Rover design. Let me know what you guys think of this design in the comment section down below. But this is not just any old Cybertruck. This is the Cyber Beast with the triple motor 845 horsepower compared to the regular Cybertruck, which has a dual motor coming in at 600 horsepower. At first glance, the steering wheel really stood out to me because it featured the yoke steering wheel, and from my engineering knowledge, this design is mostly found in jets and race cars, which I honestly really like. The Cyber Beast has a huge 18.5-inch display in the front and another 9.4-inch display in the back. These pretty much monitor screens came with a lot of built-in functions like games, Spotify, and many more applications you would see on a phone, as you can see on screen. And let me be the first one to tell you, this truck is very spacious. You can comfortably fit 5 full-size people in this car, no sweat at all. It features an all-glass roof that really enhances the design and really adds more depth to the truck. Just to get into some specs of the Cyber Beast, the full range is estimated to go 320 miles, but you can add an extender to make it go 440 miles, which is honestly insane. The Cybertruck can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. And to put that into perspective, that is on the same level as a Lamborghini. And of course, the Cyber Beast is an all-wheel drive, and its top speed is about 130 miles per hour. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot to mention that this car is literally bulletproof. And then after hearing all those stats, you're probably wondering, how much does this model cost? So the Cyber Beast, the one that I'm in right now, off the Tesla website, it's going for about $100,000 with an initial payment of $250 when you first order the truck. There's also the all-wheel drive version, which is going for around $80,000. Which is pretty much like the Cyber Beast with a little bit less power. And lastly, there's a rear wheel drive that won't be available until 2025. And on screen right now, as you can see, there's cameras located all over the car, so I can see everybody that's around the car right now, which is honestly a pretty neat feature. I'm gonna open the trunk for you guys, and as you can see, there's a little area that you can put your stuff. I would say it can probably fit like your book bag and then a couple other items. Definitely, if you go grocery shopping, you can definitely put all of your items in the front trunk, and then the back trunk you can use for more of your bigger items. The Cybertruck also has an adaptive air ride suspension that allows you to raise and lower your Cybertruck, which is honestly a sick feature. So as I'm recording the video, the funniest thing happens. This dude recognizes that I'm a YouTuber, and this happens.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
you should subscribe. You wanna say what's up? Say what's up, bro.
Yeah.
Yay! Hey, say subscribe. Say subscribe, bro.
We in here.
Hey, look up DK Playz on YouTube, bro.
Subscribe to Granny.
Yeah. I got you. So then now the question is, would I buy the Cybertruck and would I recommend it to other people? And you kind of got to evaluate what you're going to use the car for. So if you're a casual civilian like me, I don't really have to tow 11,000 pounds of anything in my day-to-day life. So in that sense, I would recommend that you just buy a Model S, because even though this car is really flashy and draws a lot of attention, you wouldn't be getting the most out of the car because you wouldn't be using half the features that the car has to offer. But if you work for like a construction business and need a heavy-duty car like that, definitely get this car. I would say it's pretty cool to have. Its off-road capabilities definitely can do the trick. There are some downsides with this car though. I would say they have an issue with the rusting problem, which on the internet, the Cybertruck is picking up the name Cyber Rust because of this issue. So it's definitely still in development. So if you want to buy one of these, I would recommend that you guys wait a few more years for them to get the final flaws out the car. But another plus though is that it is electric and the range on this thing is insane. So you'll definitely be saving a lot of money with the Cybertruck. So that's one plus as well. But let me know what you guys think of the Cyber Beast down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.